Looking for a quieter way to wake up? Let's take a closer look at the Histrips Onyx vibration alarm. The Onyx is a wrist-worn alarm that uses silent vibration instead of sound. It has three vibration intensity levels, starting gently and increasing in strength. You can also set up to three alarms, making it useful for different wake-up times. The Onyx is a standalone device, so you don't need a smartphone or app to use it. It offers up to 14 days of battery life with normal nightly use and comes with a magnetic USB charging cable. The band is also water resistant for everyday use, although it is not designed for swimming. I think the Onyx has a very practical concept. Its biggest strengths are the silent wrist vibration, long battery life, multiple alarms, and the fact that it works independently from your phone. Overall, if you want a simple alarm that wakes you without waking everyone around you, the Histrips Onyx wrist alarm is definitely an interesting option to consider.